What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Royal K, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm doing an eyebrow tutorial. I had to wait until my eyebrows were done to actually make this video. So right now I'm just brushing my eyebrows out, making sure everything's smooth laid down. Then I'm going to underline the bottom of my brow. Sometimes I use a pencil and sometimes I use Anastasia pomade, but today I used a pencil. This is my everyday brow look. So I underline my brow and then I go to the end of my brow and I just follow where I know my arch would be, if that makes sense, because I don't really have the end of my brows. I still have an arch, so I just follow that and I lightly go through, make a line at the top to the front, and I just go over the lines a couple times, make sure everything is straight. So now I am outlining my brows with a concealer that is not too light and not too dark. I am doing the bottom of my brow first, and then I'm going to make my way to the top. Yes. And now I am using my Got To Be Glue spray on a spoolie, and I'm just going to set my eyebrow hairs, lay them down because they have to be laid down so they won't be moving all day. And now I'm just cleaning up around my eyebrows. If you can't blend the top of your eyebrows, then use a foundation for the top and concealer for the bottom. And then after this, you will be done. Please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for your love and support, and see you later.